can you tell me about your favorite food, Adina?
My favorite food is biryani.
Oh, mashallah, I like it. Okay. My favorite food is pizza and burger. Okay, Adina, so what's your favorite animal?
And cat.
Cat, me too. Yes. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, Adina, let's continue. So, who's your best friend, Adina?
Amna.
Amina. Yeah, beautiful name, mashallah. That's perfect. I have two best friends. I have Maryam and Rana. They are my best friends. Okay, so Adina, do you like cartoon?
No.
No, okay, that's better. Yeah. Okay, Adina, let's continue. What's your favorite color, Adina?
Pink.
Pink. Oh my God, my favorite also. So look at this in pink also. Yeah, I like pink. Okay. So, Adina, do you have a brother and sister?
I have a small brother and big brother.
MashaAllah. Yeah, I have two brothers and one sister. Okay, Adina. So, do you play a sport, Adina?
Yeah.
MashaAllah. What do you play?
F- uh, Football.
Football, mashallah, that's good. Perfect. Okay, so what's your favorite fruit, Adina?
Orange.
Orange. Wow, delicious. I like orange so much, but my favorite is strawberry. Yes, Adina, that's perfect. You're a nice girl, mashallah.